Well, today was a collaboration between all the Broward County Fire Rescue agencies with the Memorial Trauma Center and disbursement of Stop the Bleed kits.
This was all purchased through funding through the EMS Council. There was a grant and funding that was written by Hollywood Fire Rescue and Memorial Regional Hospital and distributed to the 18 EMS agencies throughout the entire county.
They will be placed in to start with all the Broward County public schools and then moving to the other charter schools and the smaller private schools. Beyond that, within the city of Hollywood, we trained most of our city people, public works, parks and recs, underwater utilities. So any of these city facility owned locations, you should be able to find kits. The kits are important, but the education is more important. Understanding what to do in a situation that is a preventable death, a situation where somebody is bleeding from some type of injury or accident. That's the important part. All the 3 trauma centers in Broward County are going to help with the dissemination of the education part. Memorial Regional is our local hospital within the city of Hollywood who's kind of helped spearhead the educational component to help teach and educate the community. The kits themselves contain items to help you facilitate that stopping the bleed through gauze application, wound packing, tourniquet application, things of that nature.
If you don't have that kit though, the most important part is to recognize when someone has life-threatening bleeding is stop the bleeding and control it using the ABCs. A, alert, call 911. B, look for life-threatening bleeding. And C, compress and control it while waiting for medical help to arrive can really make a difference between life and death.